Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a home server, a small office network, or you simply want a free open source backup solution that actually works across Windows and Linux, then this is the video for you. Today we're installing and setting up Urbackup, a powerful client-server backup system that supports file backups, full image backups, and even bare metal recovery. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully working Urbackup server, a web dashboard accessible from your browser, automatic backups ready for Windows and Linux clients. So let's jump right in. What is your backup? Quick explanation. Your backup is an open source backup server that's perfect for small businesses needing centralized backup management, home labs, and NAS setups. Backing up mixed environments, Windows plus Linux, doing fast incremental backups thanks to real-time monitoring. Full image backups you can restore with a USB stick. Everything is controlled through a simple web interface, and restores are fast and painless. First things first, update Ubuntu like I just did to avoid missing dependencies. This gives you the latest security patches and ensures a smooth install. Your backup isn't available in Ubuntu's default repos, so let's add the official Launchpad PPA. APT will automatically refresh your package lists after this. Now install your backup server package. During installation, Ubuntu will ask where you want to store backups. But if you have a larger drive, choose that instead of the default presented here. Check your backup server version by running this command. Next, check service status by using this command. Enable it permanently. This ensures urbackup starts automatically after reboots. If you are using UFW, allow firewall ports 55,413 to 55,415. Now open your browser and go to your server's IP address or localhost. You'll see the dashboard, which shows connected clients, backup history, server health. Right now, it'll be empty, but don't worry, you can add clients anytime you want. Inside settings, configure one server settings backup storage path. Maximum storage usage auto cleanup rules. 2 internet settings. If clients will connect over the internet, set internet hostname port forwarding 3 mail settings. Add your SMTP server so urbackup can send backup success reports, warning alerts, failure notifications. For production systems, enable this immediately. It saves you from silent backup failures. This is optional. You can set up a reverse proxy using Nginx, for example. You can watch one of our videos on how to do this. For production, use a reverse proxy, enable HTTPS, integrate your backup with your existing web server. This keeps the dashboard secure and professional. And that's it. You now have a fully installed and fully configured your backup server on Ubuntu. From here, install your backup client on any Windows or Linux machine you want to protect. Clients automatically discover the server on your local network, or you can configure internet-based backups for remote locations. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on backup clients or bare metal recovery with your backup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Linux tutorial.